Morning, guys. Hi, Jay. All right. Let's see what we're doing here today. Good luck to all of you. Please let me know if the audio is good. I appreciate that whenever you have a chance. Thanks, buddy. Alright, so I got NVAX on the watch. I'm gonna be watching OXY again today. Got a couple of different levels to deal with. I gotta go out to do something about around 10 something in the morning, so let's see what the market's gonna give me before I go out, and then I have to come back. When I come back, I gotta shower, put my clothes in the dryer and all that kind of stuff. So alright, so 1429 all the way to the high of 1520. Gotta put a trend line 1520 on OXY. 1520. I'm not trying to rush this entry. 1520. Alright, so you got a trend line here. I'm gonna be watching 1520. NVAX pulling back. OXY. I'm gonna put a NVAX here. They're gonna start trials. I'm gonna start trials next week. NVAX, OXY. XY, watching XY, almost 1 million shares traded already. Next leg up is 1520 if it decides to want to run up. I see a big seller, 20,000 shares seller, 1444 under 1420 can go down 12,043 cents. I was watching those areas yesterday. A little bit of indecision right out of the gates, and I saw a big seller, 20,000 shares seller at 1444. I'm not gonna try to rush it here. VAX pulling back, APT pulling back, YG, YI pulling back, JetBlue pulling back. The whole market is what? IVR pulling back as well. CCL on a range. XY on a watch here. Second red candle out of the gates. A little bit of indecision here. And VAX. Pre-market had 1441, so 1444. Actually, was that today? Let me see. April 8th. Yeah, 415. Big candle. 1496. Indecision here, not trying to anticipate any kind of moves here. Tilray on the move. Tilray has some news out. Was reading about it. Can't remember what the news were right now. I was reading a couple of different company news out there, and can't really remember specifically about Tilray. Oh yeah, they are. There's some stores allowed to make drive-through type of deliveries when it comes to CBD and basically what they sell, right? So Tilray is involved in that. 1450 really tight. 1450 really tight. Looks like we're gonna reject this area, but we've been too many wicks over here. This area doesn't look too clean to me. MVAX pulling back. GNMK pulling back. CCL pulling back. CCL probably don't even have the shares to short here. Yeah, pretty much. No shares to short in CCL. We gotta locate. We gotta get those locates before you're able to do so. 1450 broke. Going to going higher again. We have a pre-market candle of 14.96, pretty close to the half dollar. I mean the whole dollar resistance on the 15. Somebody slapping the bid. 1459 with 20,000. 14. Okay, now volume's coming in. Volume's coming in now. We have a topping candle on the 5. If I'm not mistaken, I think I said 1457 or something like that. Somebody slapped the bid with 20,000 shares. I guess it was a short, putting in some size there. Nice pullback. NVAX running towards the 50 simple moving average. Let's see here. 1438. We have the BWAP sitting at 1438. I don't know why I have a little discrepancy here between my different time frames. I have a 1438 on the BWAP, 1437 on the 5 minutes, and $14.36 seeing on the 15 minutes, and should it be like that? But then I got on the 1 minute and also on DAS. I have 1438. Switched up to 1439 now. Yeah, that's right. It's switched up. So both of the platforms are linked there on that time frame, but not on the other time frames. All right, JetBlue. Let me see something here. JetBlue, because I feel like this is not too bad of a trader. JetBlue. Let me see. Okay, so we have a decent range. 945. 945 coming right back down. 945. Come on now. Okay, give me. 945. Nice resistance on 945 on JetBlue. Over that level we have a 1056. Next leg down 828 and low here of 855. 855. Okay, watching the 15 simple moving average here. Watching JetBlue and JetBlue, NVAX. And NVAX, let me even see if there's shares to short on NVAX. Short sell restriction. Short sell restriction on NVAX. We got JetBlue here. Probably try to take a short close to the BWAP. Slamming right back down. Tight spread, way we like it. And JetBlue. Okay, watching JetBlue right around the BWAP here. Tapping that 50 simple moving average on the 5. See if we can get down to $8.56. High at 903. What's your 915 high? 915 high on JetBlue. 915 high. 915 high. $9.50 high on JetBlue. 856. Topping candle. 5-minute time frame. It's an 897 VWAP. Watching the candle, topping candle, and okay, watching the level. Around this consolidation here, 915. We have our resistance at 915. We're hovering under the 100 simple moving average on the 1. Getting a topping candle. I'm trying to let it run a little bit. Try to see as I can get really close to the 915 for a reversal. See 906, 907. $100 simple moving average on play here, so it seems. Still printing that topping candle on 5 minutes. Guys, give me 30 seconds. Just bear with me for a second, please. Alright guys, I'm back. I apologize. YGYI. YGYI on the move. YGYI on the move. Inverted Dragonfly Doji on JBLU. JBLU coming down. 895, 896. Nice reversal on JBLU. Good reversal on JBLU. JBLU. Good reversal on JBLU. So you're watching JBLU again here, rejecting this area, come right back up, rejecting the area. Here's how you can trade reversal for a quick scalp. This was a 20 cent move, 18, 19, 20 cent move. If you take as close as you can of this $9.15 here, the high was a 9.09 here on this 1 minute candle, and it was rejecting at this high right here, 9.08, right around this areas. We got a couple of 9.08s right here, 9.10 open. This area is a high 10, high 9.09, 9.10, 9.08. You play this rejection here, getting close to the top of these candles, as close as you can to the 9.15 risk, right, at this trend line, because you'll be risking just 6 cents on the way down from 9.08, 9.09. We had a low here of $8.90, right? So we have 18 cents, 19 cents. We have a 1 cent lower here, $8.89 anyway, but 18, 19, 17 cents on the way down, 15 cents even. If you are making 15 cents, just risking 6, you actually making 3 to 1, because 6 times 3 is 18, and just risking 1 for the possibility of making 3 is not bad at all. So you're risking 6 cents for the possibility here for this low of 8.90. You're making right there on the move from 9.09, that's 19 cents. So, and if you're risking off of the high right here, even there's a chance that it can even have a retest of the lows and follow through to the downside. So, but again, this is how you play according to the risk that you have, and depending on how far you want to take this thing. I didn't take the trade here. I wanted to take it here, but I stepped away. By the time I came back, this has already gave me this. The problem is that when it was trading around this area, it was like around $9, and I didn't want to risk to come down here. For example, 877, I didn't want to risk that 20-some cent move to the downside, risking 15 cents to the upside, because it's 2 to 1, and for me the risk was not too great over here. I mean, like the risk was a little bit more than what I wanted to risk on that trade, and this is the reason why I didn't take that. But as we've spoken, and as I have mentioned in the past, you look for an entry depending on how far you're willing to take the trade, and in this case the risk that you're willing to put on the trade, and according to your risk you look for an entry, because that will actually make it a little bit easier for you, and you will be able to protect your account a little bit better than just taking any random trades without even knowing why you're taking those trades. Seems like we're gonna have a retest of that low at 889. 889. Really not much support around this area. Seems like we're gonna be hovering around here for a second, and then if we can reject this 100 simple moving average, then we're gonna come right back down, and there's a chance that we can test the 877 after all. There is a support trend line here that I'm watching around these areas here, like this. Let's say if we're gonna break that, come right back down, so you can see it here, is not holding, so it seems like we're gonna come down, have a retest of the low right here of the pre-market. I mean the right out of the gates, the candles that we were able to print at $8.77. JetBlue keeps coming down. Good drop on JetBlue. Good drop on JetBlue. It's a good boy. Good boy. JetBlue possible bear flag pattern. JetBlue possible bear flag pattern on 1 minute time frame. A 95 could be the resistance here. the rollover right back down, retest $8.83 again, and then come down a little bit more. I think we're gonna roll over around here, around $8.95, something around here. Yep, giving us a top right here with a doji on the one. This candle about to close another 50 seconds, giving us a top on JetBlue. Okay, we see not much support around $8.90. Topping count on the 15. Topping count on the 5. Let's see if we can come down here. Have a retest a lot low. 1 minute time frame. 888. Coming down 884. On JetBlue. On JetBlue. $884, tapping to 884 again. Topping candle doji on the 15. Tap the prior low here. $8.84. Want to top again. Follow through the downside. 877 low right here. Original idea. Risking off of $9.15 here. From $9.06, 9 cents went to a high at 909, 906, and good entry there, risking 11, 10 cents, 9 cents to the 915 here for a retest of the low of the $8.77. On the way down here is about 23 cents, just risking about 6 cents, 7, 8, 9 cents over here on the upside. Again, we're printing a what it looks like we're gonna be printing. We still got another couple of minutes right here, about 3 more minutes on that 5-minute candle. Have that little bit of resistance here. We have a little bit of a kind of cup and handle type of formation here. So let's see. This is the 1 minute time frame that I'm referring to right here. See if we're gonna just follow through here and break under this 884, come 877, and we have $8.56, and then all the way down to $7.21 on JetBlue. Not so bad, and not so bad. YGYI coming down. Can't trade that one because if it's less than $5, the rules are a little bit different when you're gonna short. So I'm not really interested on that one. So a retest of JetBlue here, 884, coming down $8.77. Was a clean entry, risking 915 here. 915 risk, 915 risk, going down towards a prior low of the day, meaning low of the day 877. pretty close to that area there. Coming down now. Pretty decent move there. Slow mover, but you know. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to step away from the computer here. I have to take care of something real quick. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. We're gonna keep the conversation rolling on Discord, but for now I'm gonna have to step away from the computer for a couple of minutes. We can see a lot of selling going through at 887 prior low on JBLU, and there's the selling coming through. So see if we can reject, come right back down. You can see the trend line here for that little bit of resistance that you can make work right here. I will retest the trend line, come right back down, slamming down. So clean patterns so far on JBLU. Pretty decent entry again, risking of 915. You went to a high of 909, and as I tell you guys, you gotta try to get as close as you can from your risk to not to give it some room on the opposite side of your entry, because that way will actually put you in the red if it doesn't work, and so you're risking a little tiny bit on the opposite side of your trade, with a possibility to come down here. If you notice an entry from top here, it's just a little bit of room here, but from here to here there's a lot of room with opportunity for a downside trade. So again, it's a pretty clean, pretty decent move using the range, and so just keep an eye on that. I'll be back in a minute, and we keep the conversation rolling in Discord, guys.